The Battle of Plassey, fought on June 23, 1757, near the village of Plassey in Bengal, India, was a significant event in the history of British colonialism in the Indian subcontinent. It marked a turning point in British control over India. The battle was between the forces of the British East India Company, led by Robert Clive, and the army of Siraj ud-Daulah, the Nawab of Bengal. Clive, through political maneuvering and diplomatic intrigue, had secured the support of several disaffected Indian nobles who were dissatisfied with Siraj ud-Daulah's rule. Despite being outnumbered, Clive's forces won a decisive victory. Siraj's army was poorly organized, and his French allies did not provide the expected support. Additionally, betrayal within Siraj's ranks further weakened his position. The aftermath of the battle saw the British East India Company gaining significant political and economic control over Bengal. Plassey paved the way for further British expansion in India and ultimately led to the establishment of British colonial rule over the entire subcontinent. The battle is often cited as a prime example of how European powers exploited internal divisions and used superior military tactics to expand their empires in the Indian subcontinent.